Hello guys, good morning. Good morning guys. I have water here for the bird and bread for the bird because we have bird here. This is a very nice long frying pan here. Very nice. So we are going to give water so they're not going to be dehydrated. It's very hot here, you know. It's too hot. It's like it's very hot. We never go out. We are going out here like when it's the sun is going down. So it's not easy to come here. I'm hoping that this month, because they said this month is going to be cooler this month, but we are still lucky here because when we are living in Trenton, it's too hot. So it's like it's too hot. Here is a little bit cooler, mostly at night time. And then they have like this, guys. Like this one is a very good plant. It's like when you are in the haunted place. This one. So we are going to taking care of the. Even we are just only renting here, but you know, living here, if you're taking care of all the plants, so you can get also the benefits of having this. Very nice. So plants are helping a lot to produce air and little bit cooler. You know, the water pressure here are very strong. It's really hot, guys. Look at that. So they have a flower. This one, they have a bird's nest. Look at that. They have a two bird's nest here. So we have a pet now soon. That's why I'm taking care of giving a water and the bread. Huh? Look at this. This is what I told you guys. That, this one. That, yeah. That, did you see that? It's like, yeah, it's a, it's a plant. I'm going to show you here some of the plants. Wait. Yeah. Yeah. Look at this. Some of the plants here. The grass here are dead. Look at the plants here. This one is the herbs. Yeah. This one too. I think this one is look like a strawberry, but I don't know what's that. Huh? So this is our kitchen. I just washed it already, guys. It's too hot. Enough. That's enough doing the watering the plants. It's very hot, guys. Say to Bob. Hi, Bob. Good morning.
Hi, people.
Yeah, it's very hot. And then tomorrow, guys, they have a notice from the electricity company that they have shortage of electricity tomorrow. Yeah, it is a brownout also. They have a brownout. Yeah. So they have a brownout. So we are planning to have going out tomorrow. Maybe we go to the mall tomorrow because these places they don't have a generator. So it's better to go out because it's sorting very hot, scorching very hot. Now, so but the good things that they have a notice, like they are informing everybody here that they have a brand out. So that's people can aware of that. So Bob, look at that, Bob. Sitting down here, relaxing, and then we try not to. What can you do? What can you do? You know, this is when you are retired and going somewhere in the in other place. So you don't have nothing to do, just like this, relax, eating, and then because it's hot, you cannot go out. I don't want Bob to going out because it's too hot. I'm afraid it's too hot. He's not used to it. Even me, it's very hot. So now, guys, we're going to do something, and now maybe we are going out today. Okay, guys. So we are going out today because we have something to buy.
A few things.
Yeah, well, we are going to buy a few things. I'm slowly buying something here. And because, guys, Bob is buying this, I didn't, it's very nice. Look at this. It's like a lampshade.
Yeah, it's a lampshade.
Yeah, it's a lampshade, guys. It's a lampshade, okay? So, this one, he got that one from Lazada. And then it's not included the bulb. Yeah. So when I was outside, I need to take this out. Yeah, so it's not included the bulb. So now we are going to buy a bulb today.
This light is good. I'm going to get another one.
Yeah. So he's planning to buy another one. And then he thought that it's solar, but it's not a solar, guys. It's better to have a solar here, you know.
Yep.
Yeah, I think so. Yeah, because it's very hot. Okay, guys. See you later. Hi, guys. We heard a lady that carrying a motorbike with sidecar. She is selling different things, vegetables, fruits, and some of the food. So I keep running to her, and then I get this one. So we have this. So we have people is carrying this. So I have the string beans. The string beans here is 10 baht. So this one is 10 baht. So I'm going to make some for today. And banana, this banana is 20 baht. And this one is 10. And they have, oh, it's hot, guys. It's very hot. Peanut, boiled peanut. So I'm going to eat. This one is very hot, guys. Oh, sweating a lot, you know. Yeah, so that's why I don't want Bob to go out. Oh my God, it's too hot. Okay, guys. I'm going to put that one in the fridge. So hello, guys. Good evening. It's evening now here. But the time now is almost 7 o'clock, but still have bright outside. And now we went to the Home Pro because as I told you that Bob need a bulb for his lamp. What's that? We call that one lampshade. Huh?
Lamp.
Lampshade.
No, just lamp.
I just lamp. Okay, so that's the one, guys. The other side, that's Bob wants to have a light bulb. Okay, so now we went to the Home Pro we got two kinds of fan. Okay, so we have a table pan. This is the table, no? It's a table pan. Yeah, and then we have another one, stand pan. A stand pan. That's stand pan. Yeah, it's a long one, stand pan. And we have this, guys. Look at this. This is the plates organizer. Plate organizer. Ay, hala. We have this one too. Give you a bottle of for water. This one, water again. This one. And this is the bulb. Okay, Bob can fix that one. And I have, I need to plant because they have some pots here that they have soil. So I need to plant this tomato. And this is watermelon, the yellow one. So I will try if it's going to grow. And we got this extension wire. Last time we got one. And then now we got another two. Because this here is less of outlet. So they don't have a lot of outlets. So and then now I got French bread, baguette, two. So Bob is like this type of coffee. Instant coffee is a Nescafe Gold. Noodles. Okay, so Bob's Lace. He likes this one. This type of brown sugar. This is like a raw one, raw, as a sugar cane. And I have the Thousand Island because, you know, I need to start eating salad. And for my hair. Okay, that's all, guys. Okay, look at this. I'm going to show you guys. The lamp. Side lamp. Bob. Yeah. Yeah, that's the light. Yeah, so because the light here, it's too bright, okay? It's very bright. So Bob is ordering from Lazada. Maybe we can lower that one because it's too high. It's yeah, too tall. Maybe we get one bar. What do you think? It's too high. Mm. Huh?
I don't think it's too high.
It's not? I don't know.
Thing wrong.
Yeah, that's one thing. There's one bar that we have to get that one too.
Okay.
Yeah, so because it's like, yeah, it's a little bit nice. Because we are going to close the light, the original, the light from, okay, of how it works. Now it's okay. So we have light. Yeah, so a little bit not so bright. So, but it's, you have something that you can see it. So that's all we got, guys, in Home Pro. And then the good things that I have, I get member of Home Pro because you can get 5%. Yeah, I can get 5% for ordering in Home Pro. So you just only need a passport, and then that's it. Very quick. It just like 5 minutes. It's done. Ordering, doing the membership of Home Pro. So it's a good thing. Also, you can get 5% every time that you are going to purchase. So it's a big help to have an order. You don't need to have a membership fee. Like no. So if you are a member, that's it. You don't need to pay. That's a good things here. Like every time that they have you are going to have a member like in our internet. So you have to pay from the very beginning, but they are going to reimburse every month, like deduct your they are going to reimburse. Okay guys, Bob is starting to so that's Bob. Yeah, that's very cute one. Yeah. Yeah, so he's going to where you are going to put that one back?
They try that in the bedroom.
Oh, okay. So he's going to
Yeah,
put that
top
one
of
in
the
the bedroom on top of the
That's it.
closet. So I think they have circulation of the air. Yeah?
And then,
Yeah, so at night time. So that's it, guys. And having this one a little bit bigger. Yeah, this one. Yeah. That's it, guys. That's all we get in Home Pro. We are happy today, guys, because they are started raining now.
yeah, it started raining.
Yeah, they are started raining. So it's May 2. Started raining. So that's the good things. Little bit color. They have a difference at night time.
Right.
Yeah, so they have a difference of night time. I can put a little bit a light there.
Okay.
I can put the light.
I'm fine, man. All right, you like, put light on it, man.
I need to put this one in the kitchen. This one is here, yeah? I need to put this one.
Like this, you really wrap that stuff up. Take the sticker off. Hopefully there's a pub there.
Huh?
Hopefully there's a pub there.